What someone earning £30,000 actually takes home. Explained simply. £30,000 is one of the most commonly searched salary levels in the UK, and yet most people on that salary have never worked out exactly what they actually take home each month. This video does that calculation for you, step by step. All figures use the 2025 to 2026 tax year, with a standard 1257L tax code. Step 1. Income tax. Subtract the personal allowance. 30,000 minus 12,570 leaves £17,430 of taxable income. At 20%, that is £3,486 in income tax for the year, £290.50 a month. Step 2. National insurance. National insurance is calculated on £17,430, the same NI liable earnings as taxable income. At 8%, that gives £1,394.40 for the year, £116.20 a month. Adding the two together, £3,486 plus £1,394.40 equals £4,880.40 a year. Subtract from 30,000, that leaves £25,119.60 a year, approximately £2,093 a month before pension. Step 3. Pension. Qualifying earnings are approximately £23,760. A minimum 5% contribution comes to £1,188 a year, approximately £99 a month. Whether the full amount reduces take-home depends on your pension scheme type. Once a typical minimum workplace pension contribution is included, take-home pay is roughly £1,994 to £2,013 a month. The exact figure depends on your pension scheme. Without a pension deduction, take-home is approximately £2,093 a month. These figures assume a standard tax code with no other deductions. If you have a student loan on Plan 2, repayments would also apply, 9% on earnings above £28,470. On a £30,000 salary, that adds approximately £12.83 a month in student loan repayments. This is useful when you're offered a £30,000 salary and want to know what that means monthly, when you are budgeting and need a realistic take-home figure, or when you are comparing salaries and want to understand the net difference a pay rise would make. A common mistake is dividing 30,000 by 12 and assuming the result, £2,500, is what you will receive. It is not. After tax, national insurance and pension, your actual monthly take-home is closer to £1,994 to £2,093. That is a difference of over £400 a month. To recap, on a £30,000 salary, take-home after income tax and national insurance is around £2,093 a month before pension. With a minimum pension contribution, take-home is roughly £1,994 to £2,013 a month depending on your pension scheme. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more everyday money explained simply.